Scientific Day, everyone! Today I will show you an experiment about matter. What is matter? It is anything that occupies space and has mass. Three types of matter are solid, liquid, gas. My experiment is called balloon blow up. Things that we need are baking soda, balloon, bottle, vinegar, and funnel. Baking soda is solid. Vinegar is liquid. But where is gas? Let's find out. First, put the vinegar inside the bottle. Put the baking soda inside the balloon. Place the balloon on the bottle. Allow the baking soda to fall inside the bottle. Oh, there's gas! Go into the balloon! Wow! Balloon blow up! Thanks for watching. Bye!